Welcome to livetutelage.com, best e-learning portal for IIT JEE, NEET and Foundation.
This year, in NEET admission counseling, many students have applied in different states under one name or other to get government medical college. Stay tuned.
If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell button to get instant updates. Thank you.
One India, many states. This year's medical admissions may have given it a new meaning. Wanting to improve their chances in state government colleges, aspirants are claiming domicile of multiple states. While TOI has refrained from printing the names and the exact NEET, National Eligibility cum Entrance Test, and the state ranks of hundreds of these aspirants, the list of such dubious applicants has been provided to the Directorate of Medical Education and Research DMER. For instance, Ramesh Rai has a unique NEET rank but also has an in-state rank in Maharashtra, Delhi and Uttar Pradesh. Then there are also some cases of South Indian candidates who have applied in one state with their full names, first name and surname, and in some other states with their first name and their father's name as the second name with one common NEET rank. The move doubles the options for a fraudulent candidate who claims domicile of more than one state. It opens the doors of all government colleges and 85% seats of all private colleges of the states she or he claims domicile in. Moreover, this candidate, like others, can also apply under the 15% All India quota filled by DGHS and for the 85% seats in all deemed universities across India. On the other hand, if the student follows the rules and has the domicile of one state, he or she would be categorized as an out-of-state candidate in all other states other than the one she or he has a domicile of, and would not have access to government medical colleges of other states or to the 85% seats in private colleges elsewhere either. On Sunday, parents and students met Maharashtra Medical Education Minister Girish Mahajan, who assured them of corrective action. We want to know how these students got multiple states domicile. So now we are trying to link these NEET ranks with the students' Aadhaar card, said Sudha Sinha. With absolutely no coordination among states, most government officials were clueless about candidates applying for multiple in-state quota seats. It is the parents of medical aspirants who had to dig up this information after poring over pages of states' merit list. Speaking to TOI, Mahajan said, "We have received many complaints about multiple domicile holders and so will be scrutinizing the state merit list to find out such cases. Once the complaints are established, we will recommend to the center to take action against such students." He also said that some parents have moved the Aurangabad bench against the loopholes and the state will support the parents in their legal fight. DMER head Dr. Praveen Singh Nair has asked TOI to share the list of other states' merit list and the names of candidates who have claimed domicile in multiple states. Thank you.
If you like this video, please click the like button. If you have any questions or suggestions, please comment below. For more updates on IIT JEE or NEET exams, please subscribe to our channel to get a lot of updates. Support us by following us on Facebook and Twitter. To sharpen your skills, please try out our test series on livetutelage.com. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.